everyone. We're going out to get a cool treat because the weather is hot and to print some stuff.
Wedding stuff.
Wedding stuff. But we're almost done with all the wedding stuff, which is...
I don't believe it.
Yeah, we're almost done. We have some stuff still left to do, but it's winding down. And it's good to just get it done than to sit there and wait for it to build up and do everything at once. So we're printing a few things and it will be the last, almost the last thing we have to print, I think. So yeah. Is that our car? Oh, no. Thank goodness that's not our car.
Can I get a small mint condition mocha and a water?
You want those as coolers or iced?
Cooler.
Alright. So a large and a small mint condition cooler?
Nope, just one small mint condition mocha cooler.
Alright.
And water. Hi.
Hi, just a small mint condition and no water?
Yeah.
Lovely, $4.60.
Woohoo! You sound different on the microphone.
Sorry?
You sound different on the microphone.
Oh, that's not me.
So we are out taking a time lapse of some gorgeous clouds, and surprisingly we are under a tornado watch right now, but it's gorgeous. We are going to head to Target to get dinner stuff and maybe get caught in a tornado.
It's a club sandwich. I'm part of the club now, and I got guac on mine. And she did mayonnaise.
No tomato.
And no tomato. She's a loser. No tomato is lame. We're under a severe thunderstorm warning, and you just saw some of the lightning that's rolling in right now. It should be here pretty soon. I love severe weather. I love storms. Not versed in any. I've never taken a storm class or anything like that, but I would love to.